we'll start at the front of the house. Our notice board. So every HMO we always have a notice board, and we have important documents on there, who the manager is, gas certificate, etc. And let's take a swoop in here. We've got room number 1, or studio number 1. Just finished staging. So it's a large room. The camera on this Samsung phone doesn't do it any justice, but it's actually a large room. Mini kitchenettes. Every room comes with a fridge. And we have an ensuite, you can see. Toilet. Oh, nobody likes open toilet lids. Okay. Then we'll move on to this little storage area. Normally we'll keep Hoover, vacuum cleaner, even mop, etc. in there. And we have room number 2. Done to a really high standard. So you got your ensuite there, mini kitchenette, IKEA cupboards, IKEA bed, smoke alarms interlinked. We've also put individual trips on in each room, so it's isolated. And thermostat. We're actually going to replace that thermostat with a Hive system or something similar. And we have the actual tank itself. Ignore that scruffiness there. It's a room that's not used anyway. Stop laughing. And we have the kitchen itself. Plenty of units to go by. 2 kitchen sinks. Fire blanket, heat alarm, and a little conservatory. We've called it a utility room. A nice space. And then we've got the garden itself.